Some breaking inputs on the broadcast. We're given to understand that the Election Commission has extended the timeline for special intensive revision, the SIR, of electoral rolls in the national capital. The decision follows a request from Delhi's Chief Electoral Officer for more time. Door-to-door verification by booth-level officers will now continue till the 8th of August, while the draft electoral roll will be published on the 17th of August. Let's go across to Kritika, who's getting us more details. So, the timeline has been extended, is what we're given to understand. Kritika, door-to-door checks will now continue till the 8th of August. Please share more details.
Right, Swati. So earlier, the door-to-door visits, home visits of the BLOs were supposed to be wrapped up by the 29th of this very month itself. However, yesterday, Delhi CEO had written to the Election Commission asking for more time and an expanded timeline as far as the SIR exercise is concerned in the national capital. So now the home visits will end on August 8th. And in fact, the final draft, the final publication of the electoral roll will also come in almost towards the end of September, which is almost towards the end of October, which will be on the 19th of October. Now, the draft publication, which is also a matter of concern for the political parties, will now take place in mid of August, which is on the 17th of August, as opposed to early in the August on the 5th. So now these dates become more important for both the BLOs as well as political parties, because as far as the draft roll is concerned, that is when the political parties get active on account of any discrepancies that will be seen or any deletions and additions, unnatural deletions or additions that will be seen once the draft electoral roll is out. So that date also now pushed by another 10 days.
So you're saying that the process has been extended by 12 more days, 10 or 12 more days. Thank you very much, Kritika, for getting us the details.